to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins. So today I'm going to be doing a Sunday Funday soft glam look. Something you could do that's very easy on the go, because on Sundays we just want to kind of relax, maybe do a little errands and just hang out. We don't want to fuss with our makeup too much. I will also be introducing you guys to a new makeup brand, MakeTheMake. They are from overseas and they have amazing makeup which has skincare properties, and they're amazing. Like this, for example, has complexion B or something like that, and this one has vitamin C, and oh, it's amazing. And I also got their concealer. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. And before we go any further, please remember to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, hit the notification bell, that way you do not miss any of my uploads. I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Illuminizing Primer. I take about 2 drops on my fingertips and I start spreading it around my face, and then I start pressing it in so it absorbs better. It gives you a little bit of a sheen throughout your face, so if you wanted to just do the primer, you're set to go. Next, I'm taking the MakeTheMake foundation, and 3, it's called the Vitamin B Flawless Filter Foundation, shade I already mentioned, and 3, this is a medium to full coverage foundation. This foundation is so good. I've been using it for the last few days and I'm loving it. I'm also using my Hank & Henry Nikki brush. It's my favorite foundation brush at the time because it applies everything so seamlessly throughout my skin and my face. Alright, now it's concealer time. I'm taking the MakeTheMake Peptide Perfecting Concealer in shade N2, which actually has skincare qualities. And the one thing I didn't notice at first is you want to do it in sections because it can dry down fast. And then I'm using my Hank & Henry Midori sponge. It's the large one to blend out the concealer. Other than it drying down a little faster than I was used to, this concealer worked amazing. I applied a little bit more and then used the brush the second time around because they actually recommend a brush, but it spreads out nicely. It really helped conceal and brighten my under eye area, and it covered up quite of those dark spots. And since I'm OCD, I'm going back with the Midori sponge, and I'm just buffing out any edges, any possible creasing, just to make sure everything's nicely prepped before my setting powder. So I'm taking my Jeffree Star Magic Star setting powder in shade beige, and I'm using my Hank & Henry Sondra brush to set all the areas I applied concealer, and I'm also gonna set the rest of my face. When you set the rest of your face, it makes it so that all the other powder products are nicely prepped. Now, coffee intermission, one of my favorite mugs. Next, I'm taking the MakeTheMake Vitamin C Soft Compact Bronzer in shade SB2. This bronzer, oh my gosh, it is so smooth. It builds up so nicely. I'm obsessed with this bronzer. It literally gives you a nice warm kiss. Once I'm done doing my bronzing, as always, I take my powder brush, and with no more product, I actually just blend everything out so it's nice and smooth. Next, I'm taking my GRWM Cosmetics Honeymoon palette, and I'm going to use the shade Wiped Up for blush. And I like starting from the outside in and taking it into my cheekbone area because I have very high cheekbones, and it just really warms up your skin. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade. And I do like taking it at the tip of my nose and my forehead. Now that my base is nicely set, I take my Slay All Day in Dreamsicle and drench my face in setting spray. I fan it around a bit, and then I once again take my Midori sponge and press everything in so that way all the powders blend in together and it really locks your makeup for the day. Now I'm going to take my highlighter. I am using the Makeup Geek Midnight Highlighter, and I'm using my Hank & Henry Francis brush to apply it. I just got this highlighter and it's so pretty. Now that my base is done, it's time for the lips. I'm using the GRWM Cosmetics Share and Jeffree Star Human Nature Liquid Lip. So I just lightly line my lips. I'm not overlining this time with the Share. And then apply Human Nature. In fall, I love dark, rich tones. Next is mascara. I'm using the Hank & Henry Slick With It Clout Mascara. This mascara is super nice. It's not heavy, and I love when you flip it around. It has a tiny wand so I could do my bottom lash line. So cute, because I'm always tapping my lid or the bridge of my nose. Hooded eye problems, people. And see, even with the tiny wand, I managed to stab my eye just a little. And once mascara is done, we're all set. Thank you guys so very much for watching my video. Please remember to like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. Goodbye.